welcome to my channel, and today I'll teach you how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. But before that, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit and subscribe. And para naman update kayo sa mga online vlogs ko. Anyway, right now, enjoy watching. I'll teach you how to deactivate your Facebook using iPhone. So first, open your Facebook app. Buksan natin yun. So you'll see, makikita niyo yung tatlong buhay sa ilalim. Click nyo lang yon. And then, once you're there, scroll down. And then, hanapin natin yung settings and privacy. So, under settings and privacy, click natin yung settings. And then, hanapin natin, scroll down ulit, account ownership and control. And then, tap natin yung deactivation and deletion. Okay, there. So, you'll have an option, two options actually, to deactivate or either to delete your account. I have another tutorial on how to delete your account, but right now, choose to continue account deactivation. And then, hahanapan kayo ng password. This just to verify that it's really you who is actually canceling or deactivating the account itself. There. So, makikita nyo, merong iba't ibang option or pagpipilian. Reasons lang yan, mamimili lang kayo ng isa kung bakit deactivate nyo yung account ninyo. So, continue after choosing one. And then, another option would be, Facebook will give you an option to either just archive your post or log out instead of deactivating. Pero, since we're trying to do a tutorial on the deactivating, so, just choose the days na lang, or if you would like to manually reactivate your account, just choose the manually reactivate. And then you'll also have an option, makikita nyo sa ilalim, yung may box, if you would like to continue receiving notification kahit na deactivated yung account nyo. So if you don't like, you'll just have to hit continue, and then there, account deactivated successful. And just to add on, dinagdag ko na rin, so ayan na, deactivated na yung account natin. There, I have like 2 accounts on my Facebook right now, pero I opted to choose to just delete the profile. May option na yon, so you can reactivate your account instantly by just simply clicking your profile. And then, also, there, kung nakita nyo kanina, there is like an email notification. Facebook will notify you once you have successfully reactivated your account as well. Anyway, thanks for watching, and again, subscribe, comment, share, and like, and see you on my next vlog. Thank you!